Good morning, children. Today we are going to know few terms related to the previous chapter, that what we were learning about lines, and few terms of mathematics like intersecting lines, collinearity, and concurrent line, parallel line. I know there are. It's a very basic terms, but very minute differences are there. So for that, that we are going to learn. So first term is intersecting line. What is intersecting line? So as you can see definition that there are only two lines or line segment or rays that intersect each other. Just see, if two lines will intersect each other, then we will say that these two lines or line segment are intersecting at a point. So that point will be called as an intersection point, and the lines are intersecting lines. Okay, so this can be understood like this. You are having one line and line segment. It is clear to you. I already told you what is difference between line and line segment. Now just see, this is one line, and this line segment, and another, this one is a one line segment. So it is intersecting at a point, that is we can say that point is P. So these two lines are intersecting. I think this is clear. What is the intersecting line? In intersecting line only two lines will be involved. Another is concurrent line. Just see at the bottom one. We will go later about collinear line. What is collinearity? Concurrent line. In this, what is concurrent lines? Concurrent lines are if three or more than three lines passes through a single point, then we will say that these lines are concurrent. You can see here there are three lines are going at a single point, from a single point. So we will say these lines are concurrent. Then you will say what is difference between intersecting lines and concurrent line. Then I will say in intersecting lines we will be talking about only two lines, but in case of concurrent line, three lines will go from a single point. Just see, two lines, and third line will go like this. Just see. So this point will be concurrent point and lines will be concurrent line. This can also be possible that two lines are going from this, so this will be intersecting point, but third line will is going like this. So this will not be a concurrence, because all the three or more than three lines are not passing through a single point. So I hope that it is clear to you all that what is concurrent line, what is intersecting line. Now we are going to understand what is the parallel lines. Parallel lines, two lines, just like line number 1 and line number 2. Two lines, if you will extend them, then they will never meet even at infinity. They will never meet. So, and one more property of the parallel line, that always the distance between two lines will be equal. What is the distance between two lines? This is the distance. It will be always equal distance from each other. These two lines will be always at the equal distance. So these lines are called parallel lines. One more term at the same time you can understand about what is the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, this line and this line, these lines are perpendicular. Okay, so what I can say, if these T shape, the angle between two lines in this manner, this angle is called the right angle, and this angle will be called as right angle, and these lines will be said as that these lines are perpendicular to each other. At the last point was this, what is the collinearity? If 3 points, 3 or more than 3 points, lying on a single line, then we will call that these points are collinear to each other. You can see in this figure, and I can make you understand that. Let you are having 3 points. Point number 1, point number 2, थोड़ा point बड़े हो जा रहे हैं. If the lines are passing through these 3 points, I think this is not right to say one point is this, other point is this, and another point is this. If I will draw a line which will pass through this, then I will say these points are collinear point. So this is all for today. I hope that you all understood it, what I was trying to say. And so that's all. Thank you very much.